Yeah, yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt.
Fuck! 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 Oh!
Everybody else who is rapping, I'm nasty. Ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare. They cannot.
What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
She was cash money. She knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live. I'm cold inside.
Hey, what happened?
All I have just to feel alive. A fight to I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Repping the sound, I'm hitting the ground, running up and coming, ain't nothing. Yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it on.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
A fight to live, a fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want.